Ladies, if your husband is completely exhausted, irritable, and has lost most of his sex drive, please don't let him just go out and get a testosterone prescription. As a urologist, I've seen this quick fix not only backfire, but make things a lot worse. I'm Dr. Pasha, functional urologist and surgeon, always challenging the status quo. Early in my career, I was part of the problem. A patient would come to me with low testosterone levels, and I would quickly just write him a script. I thought I was fixing him. But after the 2 to 3 month honeymoon phase, many of these patients came back to me. They were no better and even a little worse. Moody, bloated, breast sensitivity, and worsening man boobs. We are told that low testosterone for many is just a deficiency, like being low on vitamin D, and just add more and you'll be fine. This is a lie. The truth, testosterone is a downstream hormone. If your man has extra weight around his belly, known as visceral fat, there is a potent enzyme called aromatase, and that aromatase turns testosterone into estrogen. And when we doctors prescribe testosterone without correcting the underlying problem, we're actually giving fuel, that is more testosterone, that can actually convert to estrogen and cause all these problems. We have to stop being pill pushers and start being metabolic detectives. So before you look for a prescription, you have to shut down the estrogen production. And here's the fix. Number 1, eliminate refined sugars and alcohol. These spike insulin and feed our belly fat. Number 2, resistance training. When we lift heavy weights, the brain tells the body, make and keep testosterone. Number 3, focus on zinc-rich foods, such as pumpkin seeds and grass-fed regenerative beef. Zinc is an aromatase inhibitor. That's that enzyme in our belly fat that turns testosterone into estradiol. And number 4, reduce stress. This can be done through many ways, such as mindfulness techniques, prayer, connection, getting outside, forest bathing. When cortisol levels go up, testosterone levels go down. So when we find ways to relax and bring our cortisol levels down, our testosterone will go up. Let me be clear. This is not about refusing treatment. It is about refusing lazy treatment. We don't need more easy scripts. We must fix the problems at the roots. I stopped prescribing the easy way because I was failing too many families. So check the caption below for 5 things your doctor should investigate before reaching for testosterone.